This is a protein powder, which I'm committed to bringing. My biggest concern is that they're gonna be like, is this drugs? And I'm gonna have to be like, you want a taste? How do you transport this? Oh God, I can already tell this is not gonna go great. I am upset with this bag. Let's get started. Hey team, okay, big news. Turns out I am about to go on my first international trip in over a year. Basically, this was all kind of last minute as you can get when you have to like apply for a visa and do this whole process. I am going to be packing tonight because my flight is tomorrow. And I don't know how long I'm going for. I don't know if I'm going to be staying where I'm going for longer than a month, 2 months, 6 months. Who knows? Not me. I want it to be known that I am a seasoned traveler, I would say. I have traveled quite a bit internationally. I've lived abroad. Despite my seasoning, I am not a smart packer. So do not view this as like a ooh, tips and tricks. No, this is going to be chaotic, and it's going to be you coming along on this journey as I try and get ready for a journey. I am first going to Seattle to stay with a friend for a couple days and use that kind of as my jumping point to go to where I'm going to next, which secrets I'm not telling. Oh my goodness. Although like by the time you see this, you may already know. Who knows? These are the tools. This is my backpack. This is the main piece of luggage that I'm taking. I'm also going to be bringing this tote. I'm going to fold it up and also bring this backpack. On my flight to Seattle, because it is domestic and usually you have to pay for baggage, I'm just going to take this bag and this bag with me. But for my international flight, typically you get one check bag free. I'm gonna check this bag in because I am bringing liquids from Seattle. And then I will have this bag and this bag available for me. Oh, and I'm bringing this purse, and I'm hoping to bring this bag because I really like it and I just got it. In here are a bunch of like things I need to bring, and then I also have all of these things that I'm trying to bring. So let's start with the clothes, yeah? I had always seen packing cubes, but I never knew that they were like legit. But packing cubes are the way to go. My goodness. Once I hopped on this train, it was like, I'm never going back. So let's organize actually my clothes. Okay, so I'm taking a t-shirt, top, sports bra, leggings. I'm taking 2 pairs of leggings, which seems kind of silly. Whatever. Okay, so the climate I'm going into is hot and humid. I'm really just packing for this one climate. The smart thing to do is to layer. I don't do that. These are biker shorts. Bathing suit. Isn't this bathing suit fun? It's like a leopard. I don't know where it starts and where it ends. You get the idea. That's that. Exercise top, an active top. These are like, I don't know if I should bring these. I have these biker shorts. Okay, rain jacket, sweater, dress, bra, top. Okay, shorts, top. Wow, am I bringing a lot of tops? Active top. What are these? Socks. Bottom. Oh, you know what? No, I don't need these shorts then, because I'm taking these shorts. Bye. Okay, sleepwear. This is my other sleepwear I'm taking. This is a sleep romper. This I'm gonna wear on the plane tomorrow. I'm bringing a pair of jeans I know I'm not gonna be wearing for the entirety of my stay in this place. They don't really fit me that well right now. A scarf, which I'm gonna take on the plane. So now I gotta put them in the cubes. Okay, maybe I should reevaluate my top situation. I think I'm good on tops. Tops are fine. They don't take up too much room. It's gonna be great. Ooh, do I need 2 leggings, 2 pairs of leggings? No, right? But the thing I like about these leggings is that they have like leg breathing holes, you know, where you can like aerate parts of your leg. And then I have all of these different active shirts, which is fine. There are only 3 of them. I'm an active person. I'm gonna be sweating bullets. Oh my God, I'm on such a roll. Okay, do I need to take this one and this one and this one and this one? How do you transport this? Like, what is this? So for shoes, I'm really just bringing a pair of sandals, my sneakers, and my Converse. Just remembered I'm taking this jean jacket with me. Oh, and this thing. Okay, cool. Okay. So this is my travel yoga mat. So I'm just gonna put it at the bottom of my bag. So you go in here. This one This one goes here, and then this one just like that. Okay. Maybe I should put my shoes in the backpack. And then we have to go through these other bags. So let's see what's in these. Okay, shall we? This has to go on my carry-on. This goes on my carry-on. These are little glasses. I'm bringing sage. Maybe I won't bring this. This is a beach blanket. These are art supplies. Then I need to put all of these markers in there. These. So I got these like reusable bags, and so I feel like I should bring them. I'm planning on bringing a little bit of coconut sugar with me. I also am bringing these cookies, and I was thinking about just putting them in this bag. Oh, I was gonna bring protein powder, foot masks, razors, bringing a coffee machine. This is my Kindle. Advil for the ages, emergency, my toothbrush, sleep gummies. This is for filming. Oh, I just got this gimbal, which I'm really excited about. This is a tech pouch that I need to fill up. Travel chargers. This I'm actually really excited to bring with me. It's a reusable travel mug. Oh, I have a straw. I have to remember my straw. Remind me. Remember the straw. More deodorant. I just got a new tarot deck, so I'm not bringing this one. It's amazing. It's called the Gentle Tarot. What is this? This is to charge my speaker, which I can't forget. This is for my hard drive, probiotics, charger for international purposes, my camera charger, the international driving permit, passport, vaccine cards, incense matches. Okay, so that's that bag. Next, tea. And there's more actually to be added. Diva cup, first aid kit, feminine hygiene products, up the yin yang, a bug spray I've never used, and it leaks. Sunscreen. Oh, I think I'm gonna take like at least 2 nail polishes. Okay, Tiger Balm. All my earrings and jewelry. I also like never use this. This is a face mask, which I should bring. Clorox to go, need. Neosporin. All of these I'm gonna fill with shampoo and conditioner. My hair products are important to me. More Band-Aids, my tongue cleaner. And then I also need to take my makeup. Then I have different like tinctures and such. This is like a sleep spray. And I think that's really it. The first thing I'm gonna do is organize my liquids bag. Oh God, I can already tell this is not gonna go great. This is like technically a liquid, but like who's looking? This is, I also just got, it's an eye cream, so I'm definitely taking it. I just got this too, my God, I just got so many things. Literally, I was not planning for this trip. I got a nail and cuticle oil. Here's what we're working with so far. Can I just... Sunscreen is a liquid, right? Why? It's like a cream. 2 nail polishes. And then here's the other thing. I still have to put in my 4 travel bottles of shampoo and conditioner. This is what it looks like with these 4 bottles. Yeah, this is not gonna seal. Okay. Oh, and then I have other tinctures to bring. Maybe no to nail polish. This I've never used, but I would love to. It smells like lavender. Well, maybe I don't need to take 4 of these. Let's just close this. Okay, I think I'm just gonna try and start shoving things into my bag and hope for the best. Oh, I have to bring my laptop. Okay, so if we just, yeah, that's fine, right? Excellent. Oh, wow, look at that. I have travel towels. I'm just gonna bring the one. Feminine hygiene products. Let's put it all in there. Tea. No. I feel what I'm putting on my jeans. And then we just pull until something gets smaller. And there we have it. Ooh. Yeah, this is heavy. Ooh, this arm's going numb. Oh, and I have to put my shoes, the sneakers. Do I need sneakers? Like tennis shoes? Am I gonna go on a run? No, when I go hiking and stuff, I'll need it. I'm gonna pretend like I'm gonna pack my laptop. So this would just go in the back pocket here. We're staying calm. We're doing a great job. Okay, this is gonna go in there. Okay, on the sides, I should put things that I need easy access to, like eye mask, sleep gummies, Clorox. Ah, my shoes. Once I check in this backpacking bag, I'll be able to like shift things out of these 2 bags and also into my tote. This, my tarot deck. This is now just becoming me shoving things in here. Okay. towel, these. No. Good morning, team. Welcome to the day of. It's travel day, and I took a bit of a break from packing yesterday, mostly from filming. I had to really just get into the zone, stand in silence for a long time to be able to figure out creative solutions to my packing problems. So there are a lot of things that are being left behind, which isn't surprising. My beach blanket, for one. A lot of my art supplies. One second. So now that it's a new day and I have fresh eyes, I'm going to try again. So this bag I'm discovering I hate. It doesn't expand, so it's just tall and narrow. I remembered I have a camera that I have to put somewhere. Okay, I'm taking my cookies, and this is a protein powder, which I'm committed to bringing because I just bought it. My biggest concern is that they're gonna be like, is this drugs? And I'm gonna have to be like, you'll want a taste? I think for the most part, I'm gonna be okay. I just need to make it to Seattle. The one concerning thing is though, is that I don't really want to be checking in bags for a lot of my travel. So if it's not fitting in now, it's not gonna fit in later. Okay, so I just did a deep dive into my bag with my sister, who is borderline a minimalist and also really, really good at packing and organizing. So she has encouraged me to take out a lot of things, such as this case I was really excited about, and now I've put all my tech gear into this reusable Ziploc bag. I'm no longer bringing every marker under the sun. I now have to only bring 5 to 8. I'm gonna say 8. I took out some clothes, so I had to ditch my beach blanket, but I'm still trying to think of creative ways to shove it in here because I do think it's useful to have. The amount of times I've used that is wild. I'll ditch this one. I don't want to. I don't want to do that. I never wear this. Fine. I'm acting like I'll never see these items again. This is gonna go at the bottom. Get down there. Into the bag we go. Okay. Wow, this is a lot better than it was before. No, I'm gonna put this comb back in here. She said not to bring it, and I say yes. Here's my straw. Remember when I told you all to remind me? I remembered. This is closing much easier now, I'll tell you that much. Okay, it's as big as my body. And then this one, I'm gonna risk it all and get rid of my laptop case. I'm gonna get rid of that, and I'm just gonna put this in just like this. And then all of these important loose documents are going to also stop it in here. Stop. You know, honestly, I'm still thinking about this. I just ate lunch and I'm still thinking about this top. Because if I'm thinking about it so much, I'm gonna keep it. She said with conviction. In here, I need to put this camera, very reckless with that, my coffee machine. I can put my shirt. You in here, just like that. And then maybe we'll just that's pretty cool. And then the rest of it can just wrap around. Can you stand on your own? I am upset with this bag. And that's it. So then that may mean that I can try and find a way to smoosh my beach blanket. It's gonna work. Bam. That's everything. So then really what this is gonna look like, I got my sweater, a jacket, a scarf, which acts as a blanket on the plane, socks, my backpack, and then this backpack. Trying out. Well, that's it. Pray for me today. Thank you so much, as always, for participating in this wildly chaotic moment in my life. I am really looking forward to being able to show you all my latest adventure. Stay tuned for what that's going to look like. For now, as always, comment, subscribe to this channel for more of the content you never knew you needed.